Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to reset your password on your Slack account. So, let's start. First, open your Slack account. Then click your profile name at the top left corner. Here, hover down to Settings and Administration, and select Workspace Settings. After that, you will be directed to this page. So here, look at the left panel and click Account and Profile. Now, it will view all of your profile settings. You can now see at the top the option Password. Click the Expand button located at the right side of it. Here, if you don't remember your current password, click this button, Reset your password by email. You can see at the top that you have been emailed a link to create a new password. So now, go to your Gmail and click this email by Slack. Here, click this button, then you will be directed to this page. You need to enter your new password first. After that, enter again the new password for you to confirm that it is the same. Make sure that it is a strong password to prevent hacking your account. Once done, click Change Password. Now, your password has been updated successfully. So that's it for our video. If you wanted to know how to reset password on Slack, that is the easiest way I know how. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and see you on the next video.